let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway.
Front cameras are up, Mike.
All right. Good morning. Good morning, traders.
Slang. Okay, slang. What's up?
What's it slang for?
Good morning, Big. So va, Big. Good morning, Big. Yeah?
Good morning, big.
Mm-hmm. Slang.
Big? Nice tells me good morning, big. Probably get left jab. What you say?
No, it's a compliment. It means big brain. Yeah, it means man. You're being called a man. Bro,
kids,
man, bro.
The kids, they call the fat kids big backs.
Yeah.
Bro.
Bro.
You want to say bro? You say bro.
Wow, no.
What do you
Now
mean
they
now?
have this other. Now they have this other expression, live. Are you
Live.
doing it live? Yeah, it means like now. Come on, get with it there, Big.
I think you got your expressions wrong. Stop the cap, homie. You know what I mean? Stop the cap, homie.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You have to ask the chat. What's this? What's Omnius mean when he tells me stop the cap?
Shut up.
Does that mean he's gonna bust a cap in me or what?
We have to count to 7. Okay, you doing the morning analysis, Jack?
First thing first,
Hey,
I gotta get my music playing. I don't do anything.
said,
I don't do
good
anything without my
morning.
music. Anybody else feel like that? Like I ain't doing nothing without my music.
I got time.
Loud, heavy, thrashing metal. Y'all be trying to talk to me. I'm over here headbanging, jamming out some Slayer, and Terror, Mara.
Morning, Mikey. Omnius Trade showed up on my stream. He's a streamer.
Be damn.
Wow.
I bet he's not even a very good one. He probably sucks.
I don't know. Rumor has it he was mentioning. Forget it. I won't even say it. I won't go there. I don't know what I need to do.
Come on, man.
But he doesn't suck at streaming.
I can't even get the right screen to pop up.
He's a funny guy.
We show up every day. We use the same screens, and I have to tell this thing every day which one to use.
If I were you, I would watch him. Streamers, strategies, 15-minute.
All right.
Yeah.
Morning analysis. Oh, we have a little bit of time today.
Yeah, we'll leave it up
Good
to you.
job showing up early, guys.
Huh.
All right, first for the overnight poll.
What was your poll? I mean, I saw it, but I don't remember.
You asking how big it is? We asking.
Your poll, P-O-L-L.
Yeah, asking another guy about his poll.
P-O-L-L-L-L-L.
Imagine you're walking through the mall, a guy walks up to you. How big's your poll? What? All right. Which prop firm? Actually, the same poll we got going on now, huh? Which prop firm? We had Bullinox, Apex, Tradeify, and Lucid. 21% said Bullinox. 21% said Apex. 13% said Tradeify. I guess y'all don't like Tradeify. And 46% said Lucid.
I had about the same numbers on my side. Hello, Gilad.
Are we sleeping on the Lucid?
Numbers. We are. You snooze, you lose. I told you. You didn't listen to me. You said, Mike, 21% like Apex and 21% like Bullinox. We're going to stick with that. We're not looking at Apex. Lucid, you said 21 plus 21 equals 46.
All right. Let's do the morning analysis. We're kind of right in the middle of this range again. And we've been chopping sideways for 1, 2, 3 days. Come on, man. Who did this? Guys, everybody's getting chopped up. Look at the chart. Sideways. Yeah. What do we need? Skeletor, good morning. I didn't even tell people good morning. Lewis, good morning. Mikey, good morning. Mr. Knife, good morning. Glad, good morning. Anybody I missed? Looking at 3 different chats. Good morning. All right, for the buyers, we need to get up. We really need to get above this 25, 514 area. Come up here, build structure. We want to see it push up to the 25, 950 area. Why that area? Because that's the value area high. This range we've been in since September. We can see several times it's come a little lower, a little higher, a little lower, a little higher, but around that area. For the bears, they want to get below the value area low of this range, which is this green line, is around 25,050. Build structure and go lower. On the zoomed out chart, let's go to the 60-minute. Zoom in a bit more. A little bit of a trend line going up. A little bit of a support there. So, once again, if the bulls are getting up here, they're trying for that 25.14 anyway. So, still say keep an eye on the 25.14. Are the bears going to break below this line? They'll probably do it at market open when we get new information. And we want to keep an eye on the Globex open, 25,281. How's price reacting? Get below it, go down. News today. Yeah, 30 minutes, same thing. Let's check on the news. Well, we had initial jobless claims, 8:30. Didn't really do much, did it? Well, I guess it was up. Take that back. We get a nice push at 8:30. Okay. 10 o'clock existing home sales. I mean, it might move the market a little bit. Probably not going to be anything major. And that's it for news. Mike?
Well, we got CPI. We got CPI tomorrow, and that's probably going to be a little bit of a market moving event. And today, what did we have today? Today we had jobless claims. Nothing special. 227 versus 220K. 222 expected. 227. So nothing really earth-shattering.
Guys, y'all got any things to say? We see Gilead. We bullish overall, but open will be short. Yeah, zoom back out to the 60-minute. Certainly, overall trend is up. Would also point out that I pointed this out yesterday. I guess I didn't point it out this morning. We are at the 50% of this downtrend. So some of you ICT guys would call that an encroachment. It's 50%. So where the market wants to decide. Do we want to go back down? Do we want to go up?
We have time. There you go. Don't bother me after.
All right. Market open. Let's put on our helmets and buckle up.
Okay, looking for my first short as soon as we change directions.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, look at that, eh? I missed it. We swept the pre-market low.
Quickly. Oh, that was super. Oh man, you couldn't have caught. That was super fast.
No, I wouldn't have caught it anyways. Maybe I would have. Hard to say.
Guys, if you're there, do us a favor. Please smash the like button.
Ooh, it's a quiet open. I haven't taken a trade yet. Can you believe it?
Trying to tell people to smash the like button.
Oh.
Maybe you should tell them.
Guys, hit the like button on your way out if you can. Gives the channel a boost.
Wait, on your way out?
That's how I say it. You told me to say it. Guys, don't leave. Fuck the like button. What do we opportunity to buy.
There will be plenty of opportunity.
There will.
Check. That death candle again. What I did yesterday, and guys, I know that death candle yesterday. Got a few of you.
54 going up to 61.
Hopefully everybody waited for the 2-minute candle to close. Or the 5, or the 15. I know some of y'all said yesterday 15.
What a shitty opening, man. 411,000 on the volume. We got a long trade. I think we should just follow that long trade, targeting 82. It's in at 62. It's going for 20 points. I'll take that one for a one lot. Getting in a little bit late, but I'll add. If we come down, so I can actually, we get a couple of red candles and then we break a high. I'll add.
I was in it. Take profit again.
Yeah, I traded very poorly on the open this morning. This slow open caught me off guard. Break a high of a 1-minute candle. That's what I'm waiting for to add. See the buyers come in. There the buyers came back in. Let's go up to 82, 70. Come on, you can go up to 82. Don't make it last so long.
You can do it.
You gotta wait again. You know why I'm off? Because I'm trading like 2 different types of systems right now.
Me
I'm not
too.
trading my usual morning open. Yeah, you're not gonna hit target. That would be sad.
I just let the morning bot do what it does and go from there. Hasn't been the best lately.
But
Needs to pick up its slack. Picking the one system until I figure out my life. Wise words right there.
I mean, I've been wiggling and jiggling pretty damn good, but okay, well, nothing special, but this is a horrific open, eh?
My ears.
Eh?
Yeah, my
It
ears
requires
are bleeding, eh?
Eh? I told you I got my ear blocked, eh? Oh, I said eh twice there really quickly. Yeah, my ears are blocked. I go to the doctor, he tells me, don't see anything. Which I find weird. I feel like I'm misdiagnosed. And I'll tell you why. Because the next day I had, like, juicy ear.
You ever clean them?
Oh, very often. I have very clean ears.
You don't use
Much of them,
Q-tips, do you?
seriously. No.
Michael, good morning.
Good morning, Michael. Odium.
It's not odium, it's odum.
For me, it's odium. He likes it better.
He does.
Might have been a typo when he did Odin and never noticed.
I don't know. You ever meet some of those people that are like get very sensitive on how you pronounce their name?
Yep, I
I know
know.
a few people like that. It's like, dang, dude, like, is it really that big of a deal?
We're still running up to the 82 there.
I knew one guy. I was like, well, how do you spell your name? And he'd tell me how to spell it. I'm like, you hear those letters in there, right? Like, I didn't put those there. You're telling me how to spell it.
Where's the 1 minute chart? What do we got for ATR? It's got to be pretty damn low. 27? How's that even possible?
You guys ran it back up to my take profit again. Still didn't hit it.
Possible.
They've been being some buttholes lately, ain't they?
Wow. Look at this 1,000 volume chart. You couldn't be more sideways if you tried.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Oh, you got that too?
Mm-hmm. I seen it before you. I thought you was copying my trade.
You don't know when I got in it.
We did have a bunch of people typing in giveaway game.
Yeah, I got them all, I think. Well, I think most of them. On your end, I got some. You'll have to tell me if you have anything else. But I went as far back as it allowed. Was that you or me?
What?
Boo-doo. It was like an error message or something.
Wasn't me.
Oh, no, it was me. Not only was me, we took profit at 82 and we shot down. I only got 80 and we went in short. Now we're short at 55, targeting 36. That was a quick turnaround.
It does remind me, one of these charts has a news thing on it. I still can't figure out which one it is. I put it on there and it don't ever show up, so I don't know which one I put it on. It just randomly like makes a noise. I have to go through 20 different charts and scan through the indicators. Speaking of indicators, people asking where to get the indicators. Guys, go to the Discord. There's a section that says indicators. Then there's a Google Drive link. Click on it. That's where you can get some of the indicators that we use. We are going to be updating that. We're going to be adding more and more.
You made a section called indicators. You couldn't make it something that was obvious. You had to make it difficult.
I made it very, very difficult for everybody. It says indicators. Let's see if I could put an arrow next to it pointing at it. Yeah, not everybody knows, so I'll let people know. People were asking about it. Yeah, Michael, indicators. I mean, I'll have to come up with something a little bit more obvious, like Mike said. But for now, you know,
Stick with the riddle.
maybe like right here, indicators, the arrow. Now, like I said, not everybody knows. So, people had the questions. Really just kind of joking. Not everybody knows, so let them know.
Yeah.
Like I said, we hope to add more. And we hope to get some of the indicators that y'all like to use. So me and Mike talk about it and talk about some of the guys on the stream and Do you have one that you think's the holy grail, or maybe not? Let us know.
All joking aside, as we see what you guys need, we'll put it like in a scroll or maybe on a Nightbot message so that it, flashes every half an hour or something. I know yesterday someone complained I have too many Nightbot messages. Maybe I'm running them too frequently. But the thing is, they're not promotional messages. Most of them are saying, well, subscribe, turn on notifications.
Do they?
That's not
do
really.
they hurt when people see them? I mean,
click, check out my latest short. There is an Apex, there is a Bull and Ox.
look,
Tells people to type in, deal me in.
I put some emojis in mine just to make the chat more interesting.
Yeah. Well, you want to give people information, Like I said, there's also type in, deal me in to tell people how to play the game.
Mm-hmm. And roll down.
And I don't put my affiliate code very often. I think it's every 29 minutes or something like that. And then nudging people to subscribe or hit the like button is hardly spam. Anyways, he said your chat's full of spam. I was insulted.
Well, I mean, it's not spam if it's your chat.
Mm.
Saying, I mean, you know.
Wow. What do you do? What do you do when you're really not on with your trading? You scale back, right?
That's
Or
right.
you go to an eval.
Or you go
That's
to
what
an
I do.
eval.
Yeah.
Why did I
I'm in
lose
a
again?
I'm in a boxing match here, and we're both very bloody, which means it's a tie. We're both taking hits. And we're both scoring points,
Yeah, I'm still up.
but it's not going anywhere. Yeah, I'm up, but barely.
Mm.
It's not worth it to take the risk because one slip up could hurt me. One, I want to make money. Let me oversize, which I do sometimes. So my hand's off the mouse. I'm going to take a break a bit. Click here.
No, I don't want to click there.
Which means make sure your brain is on. Make sure your brain is on and working, because this is where a mistake can happen. I don't want to be running on autopilot. I trust my autopilot, but sometimes it can get me into trouble. And market action, although it looks like there's volatility, it's just not working for me right now. I'm off. You know what? It's kind of like a baseball player keeps hitting foul balls. I'm kind of nicking the ball, but I'm not actually making contact. And the coach is not happy.
Yeah, it's kind of a tricky market. I mean, scale back a little bit. Scale down your contract size if you're copy trading. Take a few off. Certainly what I've been doing. I mean, certainly had a few losses in the morning with the morning bot. So scale back, take some off, go to eval. You have to have we call it a contingency plan, right? What's the plan when you start getting beat up? Protect your face, right? What would the coach say? Put your damn hands up, man. Protect your face. Right?
Oh, we're back to the boxing. My coach is saying, what the fuck's wrong with you? You having a bad hair day?
All right, choose another sport. We'll use any analogy you want. Don't you hate that when you're having a bad hair day and it messes up your trading?
Mm-hmm.
Also, it's good right before you start trading, right before market open. Like sometimes we listen to these guys and they give morning analysis and stuff. That's a great time. Just kind of sit there and take some deep breaths, do a breathing exercise, get ready for the day, get some oxygen to your brain. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
How we doing, guys? Anybody take trades yet? Good trades, bad trades, pretty trades, ugly trades. We like the good, the bad, and the ugly. Part of trading is accepting the good, the bad, and the ugly. Whipsaw this morning. Yes, very whipsaw. I do agree. So far, I've been doing pretty well in the morning. The morning bot. Well, I say me. I mean, I did the work. The bot just does the trading. But still got what 12 more minutes for a disaster. Check out. Man, I'm kind of screwed on my my super trend bot. I don't know. This stop loss is really kind of getting me.
I was talking to Mikey about that also.
I was trying with DeepSeek last night, and DeepSeek told me it had all worked out, but then the trades weren't lining up the same. I'm like, DeepSeek, the stop loss is working great, but the trades ain't where they're supposed to be. Then I was trying to work with it, and then it tells me it works it out, and now it's still not working. I got 10 different fucking bots on my thing. I don't even know which one to use. I got 1, 2, 3. Really got to get the stop loss figured out and get these 10 fucking strategies off my board so I know where I'm at, what I'm using. I'm overtaxed.
Yeah, I wanted to talk to Mikey about his stop loss, his take profit. Tried to reach him last night, but I guess our timing was off. Actually, I also wanted to talk to him about his entries. Understand them better.
Yeah.
I think there's ways to tighten up the entries that I saw on his chart.
I don't think all these bots are slowing my system down. All over a stop loss. Like I think open will be short. Then I hope 25-100 will work. Markets have changed. Yeah. Now we're getting into the spring season. Now 100 ticks is nothing. Okay, what was this opening candle? 50, that wasn't that bad. We got from the high to the low of the open. 157. Yeah. That's what's so hard about it, is just getting these moves within a decent stop loss. Everybody will tell you, have tight stop losses, have this, have that. Nobody tells you you're going to get stopped out 1,000,000 times because the ATR is higher than what your stop loss can be.
Mm-hmm.
So then you're left with the dilemma. Do you increase your stop loss, which means you get hit in the face harder, or do you make your stop loss tighter, which means you get hit more times in the face, but not as hard.
No, you sit it out. I had a filter. If the stop was too far away, you don't take the trade. It just wasn't worth it. Remember, the farther the stop, especially if you're going for 2 to 1, the farther the stop, the harder it is to get 2 to 1. Imagine your stop's 150 points. 2 to 1's 300 points. No, leave it. Wait till your stop is 20. Very easy to get 40 points.
That's also very true. We have to pick and choose our trades.
I had that as a filter. Not at the moment because what I'm doing is kind of different, but
we also have to remember that if we keep taking trades and we keep losing, we have to take more trades to try to make them back. So if we're patient, we try to take only the best trades. We really don't need that much a day. I mean, 10, 20, 30 points a day, you can make a lot of money if you're consistent. Skeletor until January, I used 60 ticks. Now it's almost stop loss every time. Yeah, Skeletor, I'm feeling that one. Skeletor, sometimes I put on the trade. What am I using? What's my stop loss right now? Stop loss, 72 ticks. I put on the trade and the stop loss is barely under the entry. Like, gritting my teeth. I'm like, how the hell? But that's what gives us the dilemma. As traders, it's our job to figure it out.
yeah, Mikey, I can't read your chats right now and try to process your entries. This is the trading time. We can talk about it later, though. Hey, happy kids, good morning. What's with this market? I know that's what I'm saying also.
Happy kids, good morning. What's with the market? I mean, there's many things wrong with the market. I wouldn't say wrong with the market. I mean, it's the market doing its thing. But if we want to put it into a few short words, we go out to the 60-minute chart. Actually, let's do the 4-hour chart. We can see past 3 days, 4 days, we've been sideways. Relatively. I mean, it's huge range, but it's still sideways. In fact, if we go to the daily chart, we can even see sideways on the daily. So, 1, we're going sideways. 2, we're at 50% of this downtrend, which means the longs and shorts are battling over who wants to take control. Go to the other side. 3, we're getting into spring season. People are waking up. More volatility in the market.
Only one setup. Yes, failed.
Tried working with Claude yesterday and DeepSeek. I couldn't get that stop loss figured out. I think because the stop loss, because they made it that yellow color, I can't convince the AIs to stop it. I'm like, I don't want the yellow color. Like, I don't even know what that is. I don't like it. Just stop it.
Maybe just click on your order entry area on Ninja, and there's a way to change the order colors.
Man,
You know what I mean?
sorry, I heard you talking. I got thrown into a trade, making sure it's not that one. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that one off. Sorry, one of the bots actually throws me into a trade. The other bot's just telling me there is a trade.
Always work. You're a good boy.
This one here is supposed to be on the other chart, which is not even showing up. This one is just telling me there's a trade. See how it's yellow? It's this they're telling me I can move it, but you can see I can't move it. Can't move the take profit. So still not doing what I want. I want to be able to move it. I understand that's difficult. But first thing I gotta do is stop with the yellow. What's the yellow?
It's not the hanging order color, that funny orange or whatever. That's what I'm assuming it is.
I think y'all are sorry, I think y'all are right on that. I think it's doing a simulated order because it don't want it to go to the market. It wants me to be able to move it, but that's not even the path I think we should be taking. Like the other bot, I'm pretty sure I can move. I don't know. I didn't think about it today. I'll try it out tomorrow if I remember. If anything,
shorts were nice winners.
Still don't like it. I need to put it back to the regular stop. What'd you get, winner?
I was just noticing again as the filter, the bands, the two shorts under the bands were winners. The two longs under the bands, one was a winner, one was a loser. And here's another short under the band, which was a winner. So, yeah, I really think I'm going to program in that filter.
What filter? For the bands?
Yeah, just take the trades on the side of the bands.
Yeah.
You know, the push, the continuation, counter trend. Sometimes it reaches, but often it's very weak. And then we continue with the trend, you know.
I have that. I think I have it on this one. I'm using a 200 EMA.
I'll code that in later.
Or I might have switched it to a SMA. I don't know. I had to switch the EMAs to SMAs because of consistency issues with the bot. The EMA works better. I like the EMAs better. But it's the nature of an EMA. The EMA is always more accurate at the current price action. So then when you go backwards, you don't have the same EMA that you have now. That makes sense. So that causes consistency issues. In some indicators, it even causes repaint. I wouldn't go as far as to say it's causing mine to repaint, but it's just, if it's moving it a little here or there, I don't want that either. So I want it to be as consistent and as accurate as I can get. Mikey, I was looking at some of the pictures that you put in Discord of the trades. Kind of hard to really see. Like, what was the time frame? What was the market doing? Keep in mind, you always, really, no matter what strategy you use, you really always have to be looking at price action. Like, I don't think any strategy can say we don't have to look at price action. Like right now, what are we doing? We're dumping. Right, we're going down. What are we looking for? Okay, we're looking for the yesterday's low. We're looking for swing points. Put this up. Do we want to know, what are we looking for? If we get an entry signal at yesterday's low, you know, we might not take that because might get a bounce up or something. Or if we get an entry at a swing point, maybe we're looking for a push up. So we have to keep in mind certain things that are going to make whatever strategy we use better. If we're getting a trade in to VWAP, we don't want to take that. If we're getting a trade into Globex Open, we don't want to take that. We want to filter out. The problem is we get 1 million trades a day. We want to filter that out. We really want 3 to 5 to 10 trades a day. So how do we decide that these 5 trades are the 5 best trades?
Oh, okay, we took another winner on the long, although that one would have been filtered out had I been using the filter.
This thing's funny. It's like blending my charts together. Why can't you just show my chart, man?
39, 35.
Is that even... Funny. Blending my charts together. Where it's got the time from one chart and the chart from the other.
Oh. I did a spastic click. You ever get that sometimes? You just try to click the mouse once, but your finger kind of bounces and clicks it twice.
Mm-hmm.
What do we think? Are we going higher? Let's go consult the 15-second. Yeah, we broke. Is that the 15-second? It is. We did a little minor market structure shift. It is possible. I mean, anything's possible in any scenario, but now we break an internal low right there, and then we head higher. That's the A+ setup. Let's watch it form in real time. We got to close above this candle right there.
Going back down.
I won't say that till we get below 25,180.
No, we're going down to 25,180.
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe.
Bot says we're going down.
Yeah, mine also took a short, but doesn't mean we're gonna pierce 25,180 though. We may just reverse.
Way do we go? What's up, fellas? What's up, man?
Mr. Bean?
I don't know what that says. Amala music? Gaza Hazamalhala music? Mike, you remind me of Carl Fredrickson from Up.
There's an up. There's an it. I can't keep track of all these things.
I can barely. I don't mean to pronounce your name wrong. I can barely see it. Mike will tell me the correct way to say it later.
Michaelodium.
I would post a pic here if I could. You can post a pic in Discord.
Yep. Open that channel that I have also, Omnius. What do you call it there? Share your trade. Market analysis. Share your trades.
We got several channels. I did open one. I still gotta set it up though.
Yeah.
Stupid yellow stop losses.
Mm.
Freaking annoying, ain't they?
So where was the entry? It wasn't a good entry actually. Unless if this closed above, the entry was there. But if this didn't close above the body, I have to check.
Hmm.
Show data box.
Do you got Delta pushing up? It'd be the reversal.
210.50 in the close. 210.75. The entry was right there. I guess with the stop there, that was a beautiful trade. I missed it. I wanted to take it. I got distracted doing other stuff again. I was watching it. Why would I enter there? Well, my sons would tell me, based on this being the current swing low, that's the bullish order block and we have to close above this candle. But because I trade aggressive, my system makes this a bullish order block and all we got to do is close above this body. I just keep moving forward and making the bearish candles or the sequence of bearish candles order blocks once I want to get in. When do I want to get in? As I said many times in the videos, market structure shift, price expansion, and then break an internal low without taking out the major low at the moment. So we had that right there. And then I enter on a CISD, and for me, that was the CISD over there, and that definitely hit 1-to-1, 2-to-1. But let's get back to the 1,000 volume chart. It's very active, and it's very actively losing money at 436.
No, 2600 is working pretty nice. Taking 1, 2, 3 trades. All winners.
Mm. Take a quick look at the volatility. 32 points. Wow. I'm going to get rid of the the text for now. Just make it markers only.
Mm-hmm. What is this guy's name?
Change the color of the markers.
JIS. Jizz handle music. Hey, can we just call you music? G-Sean, okay. G-Sean, it's not my main chat, so it's a bit smaller. Hard for me to see the name. Sorry about that.
There we go.
G-Sean. Might take me a few times of saying it.
Oh, it's on the vertical.
Oh, it's on yours.
I can't access my G-Sean. Yeah, that's easy. G-Sean Allen music. I can't access my chat really.
Yeah, guys, if y'all have pictures and stuff of trades or whatever y'all want to post, put them in the Discord, even during the day. The downside is that me and Mike can't really look at Discord because we use Discord for our cameras. But if you can certainly put them in Discord, and maybe we can go by there if you tell us you got something in there. Other people can see it. Y'all can share trades, share trading ideals, everything right there in Discord. My Discord, Mike's Discord.
I found it.
Found what?
My chat. I got it back. OBS wouldn't open it. There we go. G-Sean Allen music. You couldn't read that?
Way over there. This guy all zoomed into something. I'm like, you can't read that. No, I can't read that on a freaking laptop across the room.
Second setup on ES worked out. Good job.
All right, I might have exaggerated about across the room, but y'all know I'm blind too, right?
What's up, G-Sean? G-Sean, we got a particular brand of humor over here. I hope you appreciate it. We're always joking around. We're always playing around. Everything you hear is intended to make you guys laugh.
And G-Sean. He does look like that guy from Up.
Especially when we tell you we're losing. Only to make you laugh. We lose on purpose to make you guys laugh. Gotta run. Dad isn't doing well. Okay, sounds good, Mikey. You're in. You're in the competition. Question for any of you. We'll give it to, have you guys been banned from any prop firms? No, we don't trade that well. Oh, wow. I didn't take it that way, Miss K. I took it as like Dad had a stomach ache and he was talking about himself. I thought he meant he wasn't feeling well. Yeah, prayers, Mikey. Prayers and thoughts with you when you met your dad.
Got around, Dad isn't feeling well. Mikey, hope he feels better. Please tell him that the Futures crew hopes he feels better. And all the Futures guys are hoping he feels better. Mikey, do you look like the guy from Up? But all I see is grumpy pictures. Gotta get one of him smiling.
I'm grumpy very often. I'm a grumpy man.
Might have to get a grumpy shot of you on a side-by-side.
05 1/4. 10-point stop, 10-point take profit. 73% probability. That means there's a 27% probability it goes to 15, but there's a 73% probability it goes to 95. Right now, 15 is looking more likely. 10, 11, no. I got my finger on the close button. 13, 14, hit. Take me out. Okay, took me out. No big deal. I got banned from Apex and MFFU. Why'd you get banned from MFFU? I'd be curious about that one.
Probably the 15-second rule.
You're making too much money? I saw a video from a guy yesterday. I wanted to watch it. He said that he slowly built up his accounts, 15 accounts. He has $1 million in all his accounts, and he just was going through the payout process now with Apex. And he says it's going to be long. They halted all his accounts. They got a check for anti-money laundering rules and all that stuff. He said, I couldn't do live. Okay. They kept putting me on live. I couldn't do live. I guess from where you're from.
Nah, they keep moving them to live, making too much money. I mean, that's a good problem to have, isn't it? I mean, if you're making that much money, they want to put you to live, then you should open up a personal account.
That's funny. That's funny. Okay, well, since I started doing other prop firms, my mentality got messed up. Apex was paying me $80K in span of 6 months, then they just banned me.
Sean, what prop firm you doing now? I'm trying to figure out what prop firms people like.
Lucid.
Yeah, everybody's talking about Lucid. Lucid. All right, I guess we got to look into Lucid. John, how are you liking Lucid? Pretty easy on payout. Sweet. I'm assuming you've already used Bullinox, right? Since they're the most similar to Apex. Seems like if Apex ban you, go right over to Bullinox. 1 minute approval, money is in the bank.
Wow.
Yep, a lot of people talking about Lucid.
Wow. Well, I'm $1 away from $155,000 on my PA.
$150,000?
155. Well, it starts at 150, so $5,000 profit. 155.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to trade it, because I usually have a habit of trading the money, and you know what? It's gotten me into trouble. I'm not going to trade it.
So far, 5 votes for the morning. 40% of people said Lucid.
Bullinox wasn't my thing, but definitely like both of your trading styles. Matches my styles. Watching you guys has been a treat. Oh, yeah. Wow, cool. It's good to know there's other people that trade like us. I love it.
Appreciate having you, Sean. You don't mind me asking, what was it about Bullinox you didn't like?
Asks the Bullinox defender.
I don't defend any of them. Look,
You're a Bullinox defender. I'm an Apex defender.
Apex went through their period of doing things they shouldn't have done. So I'm not against them or defend them, but if they're going to do things they shouldn't have done, we'll call it out. And if Bullinox does the same things, then I'll call them out.
The user interface.
By the way, Mr. Apex Defender, did you see, was it last week? Everybody was being locked out of their Apex because of the 2FA?
No, didn't hear that. I didn't have that problem.
I seen a bunch of people on Facebook talking about it being locked out, can't get in.
Yeah. I'm sorry for you Apex users that can't figure out how to use something as simple as 2FA. I guess you don't lock your doors at night because a key would be too difficult.
Maybe the UI itself. I just do not do well on Bullinox accounts.
We really look like we want to push higher.
It's weird though, because they're about the same as the Apex. Actually, but with less rules.
Were you using Project X or Platform X? I never know what it is. I think it's Project X or Ninja Trader with Tradeovate. 14, 18, 28. Let's get to 28 and target 35. Come on.
How many accounts can you have with Bullinox? 10, isn't it?
Oh, I just heard a short trade ding-a-ling.
But you got to do 3 and then build up to, I think, 10. Mike, how many accounts can you have Bullinox?
11.
11. You got to do 3 and then build up from there to the 11.
Yeah.
And they have similar rules to Apex, but you don't have the MAE rule. And instead of a 30% consistency, you have a 40, so they're more favorable there.
Yeah, you got me on the MAE rule. I have to tap out on that one. Unfortunately.
Why I like Bullinox over Apex? No MAE rule. 40% consistency instead of 30. And when you buy an eval, you get the discount every month, not just 1 month. Now, in Apex defense, they have been doing that, what, $60 activation or $65? You got to give them credit on that. So, they're all different. You just got to find out which one's having a good sell that you like and go with it. Unless they ban you because you make too much money. Then you got to move on to another one.
Just answering a couple of comments here from G-Sean. I wish I could be a defender, but they got ridiculous as I started making more money. Yeah, unfortunately, I haven't gotten to the point where I'm cleaning their clocks. So I enjoyed having 10 accounts. It's funny because I struggle when I have a lot of accounts. Right now I'm at 4, and I think that's enough for me, and I trade them separately. And where are you guys from? I'm from Canada, and Omnius is from? It changes every time. He moves around very quickly. It's very hard to pin down. Hold on. Yeah, Omnius is from? Drum roll, please.
Maybe Florida, maybe Georgia, maybe Puerto
Oh, okay.
Rico. Florida. Omnius is from Florida.
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 Another short that's going to work out, targeting 90. Well, I don't know if it's going to work out. But it is filtered. So, Tulum sounds suitable for Omnius. Tulum. Yeah, he looks like a Tulumite.
A what?
A Tulumite. That's someone from Tulum. You're a Tulumite. You see, as soon as I opened my mouth and said the short's going to work, it didn't work. That's why you don't listen to anybody.
That's what you get for the Tulumite comment. It's karma.
Well, even my strat is battling it out. And again, same type of thing, same analysis. Hitting a bunch of foul balls, or if you want to compare it to boxing, just it's a bloody match. It's landing blows and taking blows and not going anywhere. I make target on one account, even more than target. That's the 150K. I'm not touching it today anymore. Tulum is pretty much Florida on steroids. Beautiful place. I was just there last week. It's Mexico, no? Or Dominican Republic? Forgive my geography. Yes, sir. Oh, unfortunately, I asked both. I should have taken my time.
Since he answered quickly, I'm assuming Mexico.
Yeah, we'll go with that. Final answer. Jishan, did you type in giveaway? Let me check if you're on the list. No, I don't have you on the list. Type in giveaway question mark. Get in the games later. I have not. Yeah, you got to throw in the question mark. There you go. You get put on the list without me having to type it in.
Maybe one day I'll go to Mexico. I heard they got some beautiful places.
You've never been anywhere to Mexico?
I don't think so.
Wow. But then again, why would I say that? I haven't been almost anywhere in Canada because the weather in Canada everywhere is the same as the weather here. So why would you go to Mexico when you already have beautiful weather?
It's only beautiful because you're in Canada and you're freezing to death. You don't realize that it's already, 85 degrees outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only like 64 right now. But my air conditioner's already kicking on.
Mm-hmm. You know a bunch of traders from Tulum? I heard a lot of traders were getting settled in Costa Rica. And then there was one also who was doing Puerto Rico. But I think Puerto Rico was Day Traders Live. Luna's Costa Rica, but there's a couple I knew that were opening offices in Costa Rica.
Matt Young, hello. You put in for the
Pretty
giveaway?
good. In the Northeast. Where will I see that on your stream?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice we're getting more people interested in the giveaway. Like to have games and
Who did
fun.
you say? I heard you say Maya. My ear really is blocked. Did you say Michaelodium?
Mike, you ever use like peroxide? You put it in your ear, just like let it sit there.
I am.
For 5
I'm putting
minutes
antibiotic. I'm putting antibiotic drops in my ears twice a day. I will let you know when they come back to working order. But right now, I heard you say Maya. Did I put Maya?
I said
Okay.
Matt Young.
Oh, okay. Where do you get that?
It's in the chat. Says, yes, sir. Great job, guys. Keep up the great work. Matt, appreciate you.
Who's chat?
My chat.
I'm there now. I got Michael Odom giveaway. Matt Young. Oh, there you go, Matt Young. And yeah, that doesn't sound like Maya. Matt Young. Maya. Matt Young. Matt Young. Yeah. Watch this. I can make it sound like Maya. Matt Young. Matt Young. Matt Young. Oh, there you go. I got the Maya out of it. Giveaways.
They say that our brain like programs what we think we hear.
Yeah, exactly.
It's awesome. Lewis, giveaways. You don't forget me. Mike, don't forget Lewis.
You're in there for 2 balls.
He's typed giveaway like 5 times.
Mike forgets to put my balls in the game. A check. Lewis, check. But what I see here, I see that you got 2 balls. But check. Check if you got 2 balls. Just confirm.
How would you feel? How would you feel if he didn't?
If he didn't what? Confirm that he had 2 balls?
What if he didn't have 2 balls?
Well, then I'll still give him 2 balls for the game. I get your point. It doesn't have to be those kind of balls. You always have your head at the gutter. Huh? 2 balls.
Looking for a Lucid account. Everybody talking about Lucid. We're going to go check them out. The chat has spoken.
G-Sean, where are you from?
The crew
you got
has
Canada
spoken.
weather in the Northeast this year. That's the only way I'm going to get a word in.
Y'all message Lucid and say, look, y'all need to work with Futures Crew and Omnius, Futures Floor and Omnius. And we'll message them and say, look, give us a code.
East. Where are you from? What part? What's the Northeast for you? New Jersey? You know what? I know the side, I know the coast, but I don't know the states a little bit off to the west. I should know them. Michigan is there, I know.
Mike, you playing with your balls?
I am. I got them out, so it's either that or the what do they call it? What do they call these things? This here.
I don't know.
You know that exerciser thing? The wrist compressor? I don't know. One or the other.
I don't know what to call it.
I want to, at minimum, reach target on. I know that's trading the balance, but I want to, at a minimum, reach target on 2 accounts. But I really don't.
Omnius, use the code I gave you yesterday. I want to get my own code. Now, if people like Lucid, and it sounds like they do, then
yeah, it's no longer an if. We've proved it.
We'll try to reach out to them and
say that sentence over, but start with the word since. Since people like Lucid.
Since people like Lucid, we'll try to reach out to them and see if we can work with them. That's what people like. It does take time. Not saying it will happen overnight.
$42, I'm targeting 49. I should put in an order, 47.
And if I do grab an account, Lewis, I'll be sure to use that code. That was a pretty good discount. Don't really need any new accounts right now. I have a whole bunch of Bullinox backlined. So as I wipe a couple out, I just put a couple more right back in there.
I guess G-Sean is gone.
Which is another thing I like about Bullinox. You can just backline accounts. Wipe out 1 or 2 and...
Oh no, there he is.
Next one steps up.
No, you can't be from Michigan or New Jersey.
Why?
They have no, because he has winter weather. He has to be somewhere more southern, because he was saying that we're not used to the cold Canada weather. So he has to be somewhere like North Carolina, I would say, where it's kind of like in between.
Are you telling this man where he lives?
I'm from DC. No, I'm guessing. I would get 50 points. I would get 50 Jishan coins if I had guessed it.
Gotcha.
No, I don't get any. I don't get any. DC has winter weather. No, it's standard. It's par for the course.
Yeah, but you were saying the other day it was like 30 below zero.
Yeah.
I mean, winter's like 30 degrees, not 30 below zero. That's like you might as well go to Alaska or something.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It was nasty. I went out twice on those cold days, and I was cursing you every second.
I mean, in fact, like Alaska's right beside you, right? You're pretty much the same elevation as Alaska, right?
Don't make it worse.
Y'all have Eskimos?
Jishan, we have two separate conversations. Me and Omnius don't even really listen or talk to each other. We have conversations that sound like we're talking to each other, but he's probably in Fahrenheit, I'm in Celsius.
I'm asking if y'all have Eskimos.
Yeah, well, of course we have Eskimos.
Y'all got penguins?
Not as neighbors. Not as neighbors.
Y'all got penguins?
Penguins, not in my backyard.
Y'all got those albino people?
No.
Really? Come on, I've seen some albino people in Florida.
Yeah, there's albino people everywhere. That's going to say standard ratio of albinos to non-albinos. They're rare. It's like seeing a leprechaun.
I don't know. I wonder if Canada has more albino people.
I haven't seen an albino in a long time. Years. How the hell did you two meet each other? We were sitting in a cafe, and I saw him. I pushed him off his chair.
I went in the cafe, and there was this guy there, and I tried to throw a coffee at him, and it missed.
He got mad. And he tried to sucker punch me.
He's faster than he looks. And then the people that worked there, the cashier was like, if y'all don't stop, I'm calling the cops. Neither one of us wanted to go to jail, so we decided to just sit down and have a cup of coffee together. They met on Tinder. Mike, you weren't supposed to tell everybody we met on Tinder. I don't know how we met.
Honestly, I don't either.
Here's the version of the truth that I got, right? I was just sitting here, streaming, minding my own business. Wasn't even talking to nobody. I was just sitting here like this and wasn't even talking to anybody. And then some guy started talking to me. His name was Futures Floor. Or it might have been Tinder, or it might have been the coffee shop store. I don't remember.
Well, my wife tells me I can only remember how I met her. Everybody else doesn't. Everybody else just, you don't need to remember.
Yeah. The story about how I met my wife is a funny one, too.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I got a good one.
I tried to kick her out of my house. Sleeping on the couch. A bunch of people came over and was like, y'all need to get the fuck out of my house right now.
Yeah. More of that Omnius. What's that word? He's very sociable. Sociability, if that's a word. You don't need to get the fuck out. Wait a minute, Omnius, you invited us over.
Yeah, probably.
For so long. Not for so long. I forget. That's it. I forgot.
That was before.
And now I don't want you here.
That was before I took a nap.
And now I don't want you here. Can't a guy change his mind?
Yeah, it's only been 25 years.
Hmm. Well, your story is very similar to mine. My wife came and asked me to dance, and I said no. But she liked me. She was persistent. She stuck around instead of what other girls would do, walk away.
Mm-hmm.
She stuck around.
Yep. I think that's about how it went with my wife, too.
She got my attention. And then, on our first date, she burped all casually. Wasn't embarrassed, didn't say I'm sorry. Just like, okay, it happened, and just went on. And I said, wow, a real person. Someone genuine.
Mike's
Who can be
famous.
who can be
She
themselves.
burped, so I married her story.
Pretty much. You know what? Because I'm like that. I'm genuine. I'm honest.
That's when
Really?
Mike knew she was the one. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No, actually, I think it was before that, to be honest with you. It's such a sweet story. We went for a coffee before that.
What year was
Not
that?
far from my house. 1992, I think. Yeah, 1992.
No, you said y'all been together like 20 years.
No, married. Got
Oh.
married in 2000. We're married this year. It'll be 26 years. But we've been together 26 plus 4, 34 years now. Damn, I was 1 year old. Yeah, enjoy your youth. It goes fast. That's all I can tell you.
Margaret's
Before
dumping.
you know it, you're going to be sitting in front of a computer and saying, holy shit, I'm as old as that guy Futures Floor was when I was on his stream. That just happened so fast.
No, what's terrible is when you're like young and you see like old people in movies. And then when you get older, you're like, remember that guy was so old in that movie? And then you look up like how old they were and they were like 30. Fuck.
Yeah. I'm always in front of a screen. Yep. That's what my kids tell me. Dad, you're always in front of screens. Get up, move a little bit.
Michael, you married for 33 years? Got a bunch of long marriages in here.
Mm. James G beats us all.
Who, James G? How long's he been married?
James, yeah. If I don't recall, or if I'm not mistaken, he got married when he was 18. And now he's my age, so that puts it at 47 years.
Sweet.
Yeah, let's go with the 47. Almost 20 years more than me. But anyways, back to my story. We went for coffee at a cafe just near my house. Not far. And on the way home, I got lost. My head was in the clouds, as they say.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even realize where I was driving. It's like, where the hell am I? It was just, so yeah.
I'm going on 25 years. Y'all look, I showed Mike this before, but y'all look at this. Look, I take some drawings out the way and move some stuff around.
If there's any young ones in the chat, I'll give you some advice.
Yeah.
If you're asking, how do I know she's the one? If you have to ask,
Got
oh,
a
yeah, I
plaque
remember
right
that.
there. Breaks it down to the...
He's got proof.
I told her, I said, 20 years is a life sentence, just letting you know. What was this? This is 20 years. So what does 20 years break down to? 240 months. 7,300 days. Golly. Isn't that crazy?
This is ore. Okay, definitely.
No, it's all, that's 20 years. It's 240 months.
Yeah.
It's 7,300 days. 175,200 hours. Oh my God.
That's a lot of hours.
10,512,000 minutes. And forevermore.
Could you imagine if the priest would say that when you're up getting married? I forgot what the vows are. Do you honor and do you vow to honor and cherish and love this woman for 10,700,000 minutes?
That's even a funnier story when we got married. I'd tell you,
It's a
but the
lot of
wife
minutes.
might be listening to get mad. It's kind of funny though. You know how you're supposed to say I do?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't exactly say I do. I said I guess.
I'll think about it.
That's right.
Think about it.
I was like, I guess.
You're so mean. It's a woman's day. It's a woman's moment.
I don't know. I mean, I was
Tell
young. I
him,
didn't really
guys.
think about it that much. You know, it's just like, hey, we're getting married today. Like, okay. People showed up like, do you want to take her? I'm like, yeah, I guess. Let's just take her. And my God, did I have the one lady in the world that was like, like freaked out. She's like, she can't force you to marry her. She's like pulling me aside. She cannot force you to marry her. Like, she's not forcing me to marry her. Oh, her dad was there. He was like getting mad. Like, what's going on here? Oh,
Told you should have.
And my wife used to like pulling April Fool's pranks, telling her dad that she got married. Her dad already thought it was a joke. It was funny. I think it turned out great. Great story.
Mm.
And that lady was so serious. I still remember, like a little short black lady. She cannot force you to marry her. She's not forcing me. Calm down.
$95. Or we're
And you know what my
88.
and you know what my anniversary is, right? Didn't I tell you before?
Christmas Eve.
Nope. It's in April.
Okay.
April 1st.
No way. only you. You're joking. You got married on April 1st.
I did, yeah.
Wow.
That just makes the story even better, doesn't it?
Yep.
All right, are we done dumping? Anybody trading this?
I'm trying to. But like my bot, like I said, nothing has changed. It's a good thing I'm really trading small size because nothing has changed. It's still a boxing match, and it's still a very even boxing match with me in the markets.
Was looking here for. Go ahead.
Give it and it taketh.
Was looking here for a measured move. I just push down a little sideways, drop down, see if we do the measured move. Heading for previous day's low. Yeah, I mentioned that earlier. Don't remember what it was. Yeah. Yep. Put a line there, which also puts us at around the measured move. And we're at the value area low for the range. It goes all the way back to September. But we're not going to use that as something to trade around today. What else we got? That's really all I see.
So, Mr. Knife Art won a thing, and he was all happy during the evening. Did you see?
Talking about the game?
Yeah. You know, obviously he saw the replay. He was all happy with his victory. I won. I'm not sure if he knows that it was a qualifying round. It's a lot harder to see on the replay because it's a small box, you know.
He was there this morning.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I'm surprised
I
he
knew.
didn't stick around. Maybe he went to work.
If I knew, I would have told you to clarify with him that it was a qualifying and he's got to make it now into the finals. Hey, talking about the finals, Hold on, give me a second. I have another trade that's gonna give me a shot in the jaw here, looks like.
It's pretty cool. We got a bunch of people that's been married a long time.
Lighten the load, I guess. I was thinking this for the finals. Tell me what you think. Guys in the chat also, tell me what you think.
I don't like it.
Thank you. All the people who are in the finals, we run the game. We run 1 minute games 3 times. And we take, let's say, the 3 winners, and then they play against each other. Get it? So we run all the players once, we get a winner. We run all the players twice, we get another winner. Of course, these winners will be taken out because they can't double up in the finals. And then we run it a 3rd time, we get another winner. And then we run a final just for those 3 people. Let's say a 2-minute match or something.
So you want to drag it out even more?
That's not dragging it. That's making it suspenseful. Well, first off, when there's one winner, for all the other people, they get a chance to still be in it. That's great. And secondly, what's second? Second, after when it's a 3-person game, it's much easier to follow your own name, you know, and to see where you are. It's much more exciting because when there's like 18 players in there, you know, it's.
Well, hear me out.
It's too much data to see.
Hear me out, and I'm just thinking out loud, so go with it like that. If you win a qualifier, you're in the finals, right?
Yeah.
But it's not in the finals if there's another final. Then you got to qualify for a final for a final?
No, isn't that how the playoffs work?
I don't know.
In baseball, in hockey,
I don't know.
Make it to the playoffs. You make it to the playoffs, and then there's elimination rounds.
Yeah, you like it. I like it.
Missed this. How does this work? Well, how does this work exactly? I don't know. We're working it out right now. We make it up as we go along. We're trying different things.
Well, we don't know either.
Normally, we just play a game.
Sean, we try to play some games around 11:30ish. Have some fun, relax from the trading day. Get some qualifiers for a giveaway. Giveaway an account on Friday. If you win a qualifier Monday through Thursday, you get put in the finals for Friday for a giveaway.
Yeah, so these are custom games. This week we're playing Lead the Field.
And if you show up early and type in giveaway before the stream starts, or before 9:30 really, then you get 2 balls in the qualifiers. And no, it's not before 9:30. It's before we show up. Sometimes I have to turn my computer off, turn it back on, refresh it. So then people in my chat, they get like 2 minutes to.
If they get 2 minutes extra, 2 minutes extra. But it's before we're on the mic. I need 2 balls to trade this market.
Yeah, I think it should be 9:30. We should take a poll.
No. There's no poll. We have coupons that we can draw and say, I get my way. I'm taking out one of my cards, one of my coupon cards.
Need 2 balls to trade this market? Yeah.
I need this trade to work. We got to get down to 81. Take me down to 81.
The bot's trying for 58. So I see that we're crossing a pivot point.
83. Went back up.
Where's our red line? Is that? Yeah, yesterday's low. So the question is, if we're this close to yesterday's low, it seemed like we just take it out, doesn't it?
Bing bong. Bing bong, we've gone long.
Mm-hmm. Few buyers stepping in. Still looking for the measured move and yesterday's low.
How's your cumulative delta looking?
Yeah. Kind of all over the place.
Yeah.
No strong spikes at the moment.
You let me know if the buyers come in.
Why you short? Long?
Looking to go short. Looking to go long.
Aren't you below the bands?
Yep.
And below the bands short?
Yep. I see your point. But I'm thinking we're having a little bit of a consolidation here.
Bears to drop this like the heart diamond in the ocean. Would seem odd that we get this close to yesterday's low and don't take it.
Mm.
I think we take the low, but I'd be happy to get out of this pivot point. Point fighting a pivot. Delta still dropping, looking nice. Take mine there. We came down to the pivot, little push up. I still think we take the low. Delta's still dropping. Delta's plummeting. Delta indicator I look at is this one here. Actually, two. Say one is two. But really just delta on a fast time frame. I'm just looking back about 10 minutes. Want to know what the market's doing now. Don't like the longer time frame deltas. All right, so we took the low, and I think that would qualify for the measured move. So what do we do now?
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Anybody else ever look at measured moves? Am I the only one? They don't always work, but they work enough to look at them. Tell me something you got to have in confluence with something else. And if anybody's not sure how to draw the measured move, it's rather simple. You want to take the high to the low. Then if you see it going sideways, like a bear flag or something like that, pennant, whatever you want to call them, they're all the same to me. You just want to take that line, draw it back down to the high of the sideways movement. Where does that low go? And that creates your measured move. And then watch how market reacts. when you have a measured move like that, you'll see it's not something that's 100%, but something to look at, something that's interesting. Kind of using the same way you'd use pivot points. Right there, pivot point. Mike, you gonna let me take a break yet or what?
Take a break. I'm trying to get down to 32.
So thirsty.
So thirsty.
Mouth so dry. Hear it?
Oops. Are you on break? Are you moving? No, he's on break. $32.38. That's 6 points better. 34, 36, 38. Let's see if we can get back under 32. I'm short at 39. That was nice. Quick scalp there, but still a tough market to trade. Whoa! And the strat is still getting hurt. Let's put it on the 1,000 volume. Well, the TBM strategy would have crushed it. Would have been short right from the morning and never gotten out in this case. And like Omnius says, really, there's no reason to be taking any longs. The last two longs were losers. The last short was a winner. Second, 2 shorts ago was a winner. And a winner, loser, winner, loser. Even the shorts, they're kind of winner. It's kind of like winner. It's kind of like 7 to 5 or something. So small edge, but the longs are getting hurt. It's not hyper accelerated selling, but it's still short, 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 short. 04, 06. $14, $18 close.
Lines of green and rivers of red, whispers echo inside your head. Fortune calls from the stormy tide.
That's it. Let's take a bird's eye view and see what we got on the 5-minute. It says MES, we took out the previous day's low. MNQ, took out the previous day's low. MNQ was stronger. We're showing a little strength here. If you look at these two sections here, this is in the pre-market compared to ES. It was flatter, but right now they're the same. Even over here, I'm seeing strength in NQ going back. This was less pronounced, but that's just historical. If we're looking at now, we get rid of all the other lines. Because, as they say, what's behind me doesn't matter. We don't have a divergence or an SMT. What do we get off the 30-minute? We're trading into this zone again, eh? We've seen some buying come up into here. Do you see the whole chart? I think so. Yeah, we've seen some buying come up. Let me expand it even more. About like that. Move the mouse. It's a wide-ranging zone, but it has proven to be support. Oh, I moved it. I didn't stretch it. Okay, there, we'll stretch it. So we're back in that area. We'll see if it ends up being support, or do we blow right through it? I mean, we didn't really blow right through it over here. Not like a hot knife through butter. Let's get back to the 1000 volume. Took a long. A lot of the longs are failing. Okay, I got a little short at 1675, targeting 04. And there we go. We hit 04. Bing bong. There we go. Now we also had the long lose. And we're in a short trade. I think I'm going to take the short trades.
Going short?
Yeah, I think I'm going to take just the short trades. Just like I said, you know, filter them. Probably the first one I take is going to be a loser. It's always like that. You always have to pay your dues to the market gods.
But my bot's taking a short.
But we'll see what plays out.
Two.
But I've seen it already a few times. A few times too many. When you jump on your strat, the first one, you get slaughtered. As long as you know about it.
Found some Pop-Tarts, man. Y'all know how hard
Oh,
it is
you're a lucky
to be on
man.
a diet when you got Pop-Tarts?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like these Oreo Pop-Tarts.
Whoa, even better.
Goodness.
You know, if you send those by Purolator, you know how fast they would get to my house, eh? Or FedEx, sorry, FedEx. You can probably get, you know, same-day delivery.
Don't we have some bodybuilders on the stream? Are bodybuilders allowed to have Pop-Tarts?
Everybody's allowed to have Pop-Tarts. That's just the law of the land.
So bad for you, though, man. You ever look at the back of the box? Oh, my God.
All natural ingredients.
Cheat day. Every day is a cheat day when you're a fat kid. I swear, man, it's hard to stay fit when you have kids. They get all the best stuff, don't they?
Yeah.
Pop-Tarts, cookies, and cakes, and ice cream, and the one that's not even supposed to eat ice cream is like crying for it every day. I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
Yeah, I went ice cream nuts the other day. I usually don't eat ice cream.
It's hard, isn't it?
I swear to God, I ate half the tub. I've never had half the tub of, and never in my entire life had half the tub of ice cream, and I did.
We got like the caramel ice cream, and oh man, hard. The girl has been doing better though since she's been taking those pills. She's good at it though. She's better than I am. I'm like, here, eat this. She's like, it's got cheese. I'm like, I don't know. I gotta take my pills. I'm like, really?
Sure. When you're lactose intolerant, it it really hurts. It's very uncomfortable.
I just broke through the week's low. Let's take a look. Probably why he said SPY, huh? If I remember correctly, on the SPY, there's a gap on the weekly that generally always gets filled. I think the same thing's on the NQ. Yeah, I probably don't want to hear about it, but it's way down here at 567. Which if it happened right now, it would take 18% move to do it. Michael, I'm talking about a weekly gap. So if you see it back here, I think it's been May. I believe the same gaps on the QQQ.
Did you say Maya?
Is everybody Maya?
May.
Then same gap on the QQQ, which would be a 23% drop from here, or from the high so far. So, might not be this week, this month, might be 6 months from now, a year from now. Sooner or later, we look for that gap to be filled. How my stocks doing today? Microsoft's still down. What did y'all do to Microsoft? How does a company like Microsoft go down 30%?
Anything to do with the AI battle, maybe?
I hope so. I want to see it go down another 30%. You got Microsoft right now to 25 PE. Can we get that down below a 20? My goodness. I think I asked this before, but I'll ask it again. Do you see a future where there's no Microsoft in 10 years?
I don't know. Do you see a future when there's no AI in 10 years?
I mean, AI is here to stay, guys.
Yeah.
But you have to be realistic. And there is an AI bubble. Every bubble breaks. Will it break now? We don't know. Could be now, could be next year, could be 5 years from now. We don't know. Sooner or later, it will break. That being said, Microsoft is a massive company, so I don't know if I'm liking this entry because I'm seeing some lines right here. Really liking that one. Go with what we got and run.
$48.
I think what I'm saying is the AI bubble will break, but I think Microsoft's going to do just fine. Anytime you can buy Microsoft at a 25 PE or 20 PE, you're almost doing yourself a disservice if you don't do it.
I'll be back. Don't miss me too much, guys. Gonna go get a coffee.
1 minute, 2 minutes.
We'll make it quick. 2.
Even down almost 30%, Microsoft is still a $3 trillion company. I think they might be the highest valued company. Nope, Nvidia went back up. Nvidia at 4.6. Damn, that's a lot of money. Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, and Google. But those 4 are worth more than most of the countries out there together. How early? Still dumping, guys. What's our next target? We didn't know we had to pick so many targets for the day. We're down 1.4%. See the 24,700. I don't know if we hit that today, but I don't really see a whole lot. Guys, I'm still here. I just froze my camera. Eat my Pop-Tarts. Still dumping. Sellers are still strong.
1 minute, 59 seconds. 2 minutes. Perfect timing.
Perfect.
You're
Michael,
still
I
on-
was short SPY today, but closed at the bottom. Today's gap. Sweet.
You're still on freeze frame, by the way.
I know, I'm eating my Pop-Tarts.
Oh, okay.
They're pretty good, though. Y'all want to buy it? The Oreo ones? Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Icing stuff. Oh, man.
Yeah.
And I heated them up in the toaster.
My wife and my daughter are going to Plattsburgh today, to New York, to the States. I'll tell them to get me.
Lewis, hopefully start long around here. Yeah, I see that. Mike, you know what I need? I need a...
Prostate exam.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
Was it
you're
that
older
good?
now. You're older now. You got to,
Was it that
gotta
good?
say sorry.
Guys, he said that with a lot of excitement, didn't he? It's like, prostate exam. I'm like, damn, was that good?
I'm excited for you. Break your
Yeah.
prostate exam virginity.
Damn, guys, it must be that good. I don't know. What was I saying? Oh,
No.
hey, you remember those white chocolate nutty bars I had?
Yeah, you do.
Man, those things were so good. Oh my
Talked a
god.
lot about them.
Yeah,
I
they were.
couldn't find any here.
Oh man. I might have to look on Amazon.
I couldn't find any.
Somebody ate all mine. I mean, somebody with me, but did I have to eat them in a week? I don't know. Shit.
What's up, Megan? Busy?
Hi, Megan.
I can't hear you. Is she on camera? No, she's not. What? It doesn't matter if they hear you. Yeah.
Tell her we said hi. This guy.
I told her you said hi.
I don't believe you. I didn't hear you say. Omnius said hi. And the other
Told her
guy
you said hi. I turned the mic off because I didn't want you to hear her reaction. I didn't want you to hear how happy she would be when I told her that you said hi.
Lewis, are you trying to get diabetes with all that sugar? Oh, man.
I'm not trying to get diabetes. I already got diabetes. I beat you.
I was trying to think.
Come on.
I was trying to think of a good thing to say about it, but there really isn't anything, is there?
Yeah, everything is good in moderation. It's not like you eat 2 box of Pop-Tarts a day or anything.
Is that bad?
It's not recommended. Let's just go with that.
That's probably the most sugar I'll have all day is that Pop-Tart.
Yeah, it was good yesterday. Me and my daughter were still doing our thing. Our anti-inflammatory diet. I made pasta for supper, and she said, no, we're going to have chicken Caesar salad, which wasn't, really fully anti-inflammatory, but at least it got me to eat salad. And there was no croutons, which kind of kills the Caesar salad, but still.
What was that word that you said again? The P word?
P word? Chicken, Caesar salad, protein,
Pasta.
pickles, pasta.
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 What's it called in your neck of the woods?
Pasta?
Really? You guys pronounce it wrong?
I don't know. Michael, if I eat Pop-Tart,
Tomato.
what do you say, tomato or tomato?
We say tomato.
I say either or, just to mess with people. Michael, if I eat Pop-Tart, I'll be wired. Good, I hope so. 'Cause I'm the most unwired person in the world. Takes a lot of energy drinks and everything else in the world to get me to just move.
What a slow and steady meltdown, eh?
Lewis, you're in Central Florida by Gainesville, right? Lewis, you spying on me? Yes. Yes, Lewis. I was just messing with you. I'm in Central Florida by Gainesville. Well,
Go Gators.
I guess it'd be North Central. I guess Central Florida would be more Orlando area.
Is your team the Gators?
Would be if I was into football, I guess.
Go Gators. I mean, it's a good place to have it. The Gators.
Oh man, they have Gators game, man. You can't even go through the city. People everywhere.
Like I wouldn't name a team the Gators if they were in Wyoming.
You know that's where Gatorade came from, right?
No, I don't.
I was telling my son about that story the other day. Yep, Gatorade came from the Gators, Gainesville, Florida.
Oh yeah.
As a drink to rehydrate the football team.
The Gatorade. So it helps the Gators.
Mm-hmm. That's why they call it
Football
Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Mm. Just seeing how far I have to travel, take you to the gym. Yeah, I was thinking we had
Forget
some.
how far you have. Forget how far you have to travel. How hard do you have to argue?
I was thinking we
How
had
hard
some
do you have to work
bodybuilders in the
this thing?
chat. Who else is? Who else? I think Mikey goes to the gym. Where's Mikey at? Yeah, I don't think he's been here today.
Yeah, Mikey was here. What do we do? We got a short.
Yeah, I don't see him in my chat. He was in your chat. Mikey, you there? Mikey, ain't you a bodybuilder? He's probably out for lunch or something.
I have a question for you, Omnius. How is it possible I'm taking the short trades on the strat? The short trades are doing about, I would say, 65%, maybe higher, maybe 70%.
Yeah.
And I randomly chose 3 of them, and all of them were losers. How is that possible? Hey, happy kids. Yeah, everything is dropping. Does that even make sense? And the answer to that is yes. That's how it works out.
I mean, we've been going almost straight down all day.
And you don't stick with a system and take all the trades, you end up picking the losers. I don't know how that.
My strat today was what? 1 winner, 2, 3 winners, 1 loser, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 winners, 1 loser. Whatever that amounts to.
No more chop, just crash.
Everybody's trying to call the bottom right now, which makes sense because we're tired, we're extended. Only thing really driving us down is all the bulls trying to come in and getting stopped out. So you hear the early bird gets the worm. Today they get slaughtered. So you want to wait, let the market show that they want to be long instead of trying to call it. And for God's sake, don't be one of those people holding the damn long right now thinking it's going to turn around. It's going to turn around.
Yeah.
It's going to turn around. Market don't have to do anything. Do whatever it wants. Man, I used to hate those days. I'd be so freaking mad. It's a miserable feeling being stuck in a trade.
Yep. I really, really work hard on that every day. I try to meditate on it before I come on stream. Serious. I visualize. I see myself entering a trade, hitting the stop out point, out. Stop out point, out. No fucking around. What is it someone wise used to say? The stop, you hire the stop to do a job? A wise man used to say that.
I remember
Very
that.
wise man.
You put that stop loss there. You hired it to do a job. Yep. Imagine if you owned a roofing crew and you hired a guy to do the roofing, and he shows up and he's ready to do the work, and you're like, no, just stand there. You hire that stop loss. You hire it to do a job. Let it do its job. It's there. You put it there for a reason. Mike, imagine you go to court, right, and you hire a lawyer. You go there, the lawyer's all ready, he's got everything prepared, and you get to court, and you're like, nah, I'm going to talk. You shut up. I mean, I would definitely do something like that, but I'm just saying, imagine.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I'm kind of like that, They're leaving, they're going to say bye, and I won't even hear them. You know what? Let me text them. I want them leaving without saying bye.
Lewis, the old saying is, I would rather wish I was in a trade than wish I was out of the trade.
By the way, I don't look like that guy I just sent you. I just saw the photo. I don't wear a bow tie.
Did he have bow tie?
Suspenders.
Oh, God.
I don't wear a bow tie, and I don't wear fishing suspenders.
Yet.
Yet. Okay, I don't wear fishing suspenders at the dinner table.
You have another 10
really?
years.
I do.
Maybe 15. I mean, come on. We all want the suspenders, right?
Mm-hmm.
We just don't want to be laughed at when we go out in public.
Okay, my wife. Where are you, my wife? Let me know by text when you're leaving. I might not hear you because my ears are blocked. And for insurance, my daughter.
Yep, today's one of those days you do not want to be stuck in a trade.
I would start the games, but oh well, gold got under 5,000. I would start the games, but what?
But you have to tell us. You want us to tell you what you're trying to say? Guys, everybody guess what Mike's trying to say. Wrong answers only. Mike, hold on. You gotta give him a chance, man. Come on. Wrong answers only. But
I would start the games, but
you like eating frogs for lunch.
Cause I was so close.
At least I tried. Nobody else put anything in. Only one put effort.
I don't want to be in the middle of it, and then they're gonna say bye, and then I gotta run and go through their kisses and stuff.
All right, go ahead. What was you trying to say?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, but
yeah,
they were gonna leave, but you wanted to grab your wife's butt one more time.
Well, I want to wait till they leave, so that way we won't be interrupted. That's it.
You can't grab her butt when she's gone.
No, don't want to be interrupted.
So I was looking back here, a few weeks ago, gold had a 21-point dump in 2 days. Wow. You don't see that in gold very often.
No.
What happened? I didn't know gold had violent moves like that. Did they halt gold?
I have no idea.
Wonder if that's why Apex stopped allowing it. Get a lot of people mad about that.
Yeah, doesn't look like gold's halted. I mean, it's still trading on my screen here, 49.60, 49.62.
I mean, not today. I'm talking about a few weeks ago when I had that huge.
Ah, yeah, that crazy thing. Yeah.
Hey, what this open here was down 7%. So that's around the halt period. So I'm pretty sure that it's not a hard trigger. I'm pretty sure somebody has to make the call. But I've seen Nasdaq one time when it should have been halted, but it was still going. I think somebody makes the call. If anybody don't know, futures generally halt at around 7%. I think 7, maybe 15 and 20. And we had this day was 9%. So yeah, that day there, it should have halted. January 26th. Wait, you got your wife and your daughter home today?
Yep.
Huh. Trading halts in gold futures market, especially on COMEX exchange, are generally triggered when price drops by 10% within 60-minute rolling window. Interesting. Thought most futures halted at 7%. That's weird. 60-minute rolling window. Thought it was generally when they hit 7% on the day. Like I said, I think somebody has to make the call. I don't think it's a hard trigger. I think the first halt's like 5 or 10 minutes. No, the second one's a little bit longer, and I think the third one's pretty long. I think a bot kicks in when it happens. Yeah. Very rare, though. I mean, I think I've probably seen it go down 7% or more. I don't know, 2, 3, maybe 4 times in 5 years. I mean, back when we had back with the whole pandemic thing, they like to have days like that. And Trump's first presidency had days like that. People weren't used to a president tweeting all the time. He'd get on there, he'd tweet something, whether you agree with it or not, but I don't know, but the market would just like spiral out of control.
He doesn't tweet as much though now, no? Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I don't think they let him. Because Obama had a social account, but he didn't really message. He had people do it for him. But Trump's first presidency, he really liked that Twitter. And I think people just wasn't used to it, and he'd get on there and he'd say something, and man, the market would just nuts. After a few times, it didn't really bother me anymore because all I was doing was investing back then. I didn't really day trade. After a few times, I noticed, like, look, these stocks, they go down 20%, man. You just buy them.
Then they come back.
Yeah.
Like a rubber band, they come back.
Like, you don't have to be a genius, man. You have a stock in the S&P 500. It took me a while to realize to just stick to the S&P, right? But you just buy a major stock down 20%, and okay, it goes back up in 2 days, and you don't have to be a genius. Oh yeah, he had a lot to say back then.
Thank God, because we're not geniuses.
No. Am I still paused? Where's my camera at? Thought I undid that. Sorry about that.
Doo-doo.
Yeah, I forget what kind of stuff he was saying, but I don't even think it was really that bad. It was just that people wasn't used to the president of the United States being on Twitter. One thing he likes to do, though, is he likes to tell people right before the market's going to run up. Y'all notice that?
No, I've heard stories of that, but no.
He's done that a bunch of times.
Yeah. I don't know. I think people are just reading into things.
He's done it a bunch of times. He's like, right now, buy the stocks, buy them right now. And then you see a week later, they're up 20%.
Mm.
Plus, Twitter didn't like him at that time. Yeah, Twitter didn't like him. They banned him, didn't they? Mike, President of the United States of America, banned from Twitter.
Yep. Crazy world. Absolutely crazy world. That was even allowed. Yeah. And you know who was responsible for that, eh? What side of the aisle?
There ain't no side of the aisle.
The fact that they were okay with that.
There ain't no side of the aisle.
There's a side of the aisle, and they've opened up so many Pandora's boxes that can't be closed anymore. They crossed lines that should never have been crossed, and they did it with impunity.
Everybody sees it when they believe it's the other side, but nobody sees it when it's their side.
There's degrees of craziness.
I agree, but I mean, we're going through a lot of them right now. I mean, seen a video the other day, and the guy said, if you don't want people to argue with you, just tell them they win. He's like, I like that. He's like, look at all the stuff going on around the world, and people agree with it because they think they won. It's like people think your guy won, so everything's great, so you don't stand up against them. It's all whose point of view. I don't believe there's a side of the aisle. They're all the same. If anything has told us anything recently, you've heard anything about the whole Epstein release and all that, they are all the same. There's no side of the aisle. It goes so deep, it's hard to even imagine. Y'all been seeing some of these things coming out? Absolutely insane. I'd get banned off YouTube just talking about them.
Tired.
Me too.
We're having a little bit of a battle up here at 24,905.
I tried to tell my family this morning, I'm like, y'all know people need sleep, right? I asked my son, I said, how many hours of sleep should the average person get? He's like, 8, Dad. I'm like, what do you think? Maybe I could at least get 5. I won't ask for too much. Oh yeah, buyers. Delta pushing up. You got buyers coming in. They build structure.
Okay, I'm hearing a lot of activity at the front door, so I guess they're getting ready to leave, putting their boots on and their mucklucks. So I'll be back as soon as I can. Won't be long.
All right. What do you guys think? Can the buyers take it? Can they build structure, push it back up? If so, where would you be looking? I would be looking 25,058. That would be our, zoom out to the, over this chart. Zoom out to our hourly. I guess we're still down here. I guess we could be looking, I guess the first target's the 24,955. And if we can get above that, 25,058. I still think we need some kind of structure. Nice reversal setup, but got to remember that generally on a strong push down like that, the first one normally fails. So you want to see structure. Not really buying just yet. So you're probably thinking the same thing. Need more structure. Don't want to be fighting all this bear pressure. Plus, I don't like trying to catch bottoms unless I see a really good setup that I'm willing to lose on, because historically I lose a lot more going counter trend. That's why I try to stick to trend trading. I do like some good setups, but preferably I would like price action to be above the moving average there. I have a, for those that don't know, I use a moving average band. Also use other things. This one here, and the moving average off. That's the one I really like. Right now it's got the background color on. So you see there, it was only ever bearish for the day. Works out pretty good when you color the background. The previous day. So if you only took trades in that direction, how would you do? This one here would kind of be off because you see it's above the band. Yet it's red. That would just be a no trade. Green. While I generally turn those colors off because I just get distracted, you can see down here essentially the same color.
No, my mic is not back on. Now my mic is back on.
Mic, you're muted. When the market usually drops like this, goes into consolidation for a while, yeah. Yeah, normally when it that strong, that much pressure, it takes a little bit. Switch to the other side.
34 ATR. On the 1 minute, not crazy. It's been high and elevated, but not crazy. The volume hasn't been crazy either. Only 1.4 million. But the 15 minutes, a pretty ugly looking chart.
When me and Mike first started streaming together, he was always muting his mic and forgetting it. And everybody started messing with him about it. He never knew if it was really muted or not. But you guys are messing with me again? My platform likes to mute me sometimes. Why does Mike always look at the ceiling? LOL.
Checking for spiders. Spiders come in the winter.
We'll take a poll. A, he's looking for spiders. B, he's got pictures of hot chicks on the ceiling. Or C, what could C be?
Well, one of them has to be the real story.
Oh,
doesn't it?
All right, fine. I like wrong answers only.
See, that's where a red light flashes when his lunch is ready.
There you go. A, spiders. B, hot chicks on the ceiling. C, red light flashes for lunch. Speaking of lunch,
the spiders is true, eh?
Okay.
They do. Well, now they don't come in anymore. Of course not. It's winter here. But in like September, October, when it starts to get cold,
yep,
they find ways into your house. I don't know how, but they find ways into your house. And yeah, I can't tell you how many times I'm just sitting here, and you know, they're from the ceiling. They're doing a web, and it goes down right in front of me. I go, no, shit, is that scared? I don't know why I'm scared of spiders. It's crazy. It's so stupid. Look at the size of us. And we're scared of these stupid little spiders. We don't even have poisonous. We don't even have spiders that forget poisonous. These little buggers, they don't even bite. Sometimes they're the size of a sesame seed. I mean, really small. And yet we're terrified. Or I'm terrified.
I did hear that all spiders are poisonous.
Nay, no. Maybe if you eat them.
They're just, maybe they can't bite you to go through the skin, or maybe the poison's not enough to kill you. Oh, also they go in your ears when you're sleeping, lay eggs.
You know what? I was really worrying about that with my ear.
Oh, you ever seen those videos where they're like pulling freaking stuff out? Oh, ugh. Mike, it's 11:50. You gonna do your games, buddy?
The markets are tradable.
Okay. Long or short?
Short.
Mike, you waited all that dump. All that straight down. Now, when it's finally showing signs of a reversal,
I think it's time to go short. I'm convinced.
Nah, for me, this is no trade zone. Lewis, the answer to your question was, Mike, why does Mike always look at the ceiling? Mike always looks at the ceiling. Mike, you want to tell him? Let me tell him.
Oh, you tell him.
Mike always looks at the ceiling because he has a big TV right above him.
Sounds more credible when someone else
that shows the chart in big screen. So big, the candles are the size of his head. All right, I might have exaggerated about the candle things, but yeah, he's got a big screen TV on the wall right above him.
And the camera is below me, so it's exaggerated. It's not like eye level. The camera is like chest level, sort of.
Oh, it is, isn't it? I didn't notice that.
Yeah, it's lower, so it's more exaggerated.
He's looking up now, isn't he?
Not really look up. No, like right now my head is pretty straight.
Oh, you're looking at the ceiling. Not straight.
How about this? Is that better? Does this look more natural?
Oh, yeah, sure, go with that. Lewis, yeah, I knew that. How'd you know that? Talked about it before? You don't really talk about it very much.
What, why I look at the ceiling?
No, the big screen TV you got up there.
Ah, well, what's the talk about?
I'm just saying. Lewis said that he knew that.
Ah. No, I thought you were giving me shit. Like I don't talk about it enough.
No, I don't care if you talk about your TV. I'll never talk about my monitors.
That's what I didn't understand.
Lewis, I have a 55-inch and a 27 that I look at. Sweet. What am I? I think I have 27s. 2 27s and a laptop. And a phone. And over there, I have a, what was that, 55, 60 inch? 20. Hold on, let's get our directions. That way everybody knows what I'm looking at when I'm looking, right? Okay, we'll start with this side, the left side. Am I looking left or right? I don't even know. That way. That's the left. It's inverted, probably. That's my laptop. There's this guy over there, Futures Floor, Mike. Mike, wave. Mike. Okay. There's an 8-second delay. Come on. Give me a second.
Takes 80 seconds.
Okay. This way. This way. Left monitor, 27 inch, I think. 27 inch curved monitor. This way. That one. Got the camera on it. Right 27-inch curved monitor. Guys, I couldn't get the same monitor because for some reason bought this one on a Black Friday sale. It's a Viotech, and I guess they don't make them anymore. So we couldn't find it, so they're kind of a little lopsided, and it sucks. And what can you do? And that way is the TV.
That way is where Mike lives.
And now y'all know when I'm looking a certain direction what I'm looking at. And then if we start all over again, we look that way. It's Mike's chat. So if you try and talk to me on his chat, I'm not looking that way. I'm not looking at you. That way, my chat, which is all completely on the other side. So if I'm not looking that way, I'm not looking at you. And over here in the middle is the chat for the shorts feed, which to be honest with you, I pretty much never look at. So if you're on the shorts feed, I'm not looking at you regardless. Yeah, head's on a swivel, man. For some reason, when everybody else goes up, I refuse to go up. I don't know why. Yeah, ain't nothing above there. Maybe one day. I don't know. I really didn't want more than 2 monitors. Y'all see those people that got like 4, 5, 6 monitors? Really never wanted that.
I used to have 6. Now I'm down to 4.
Probably need another monitor. I got like 5, 6 programs stacked on this monitor. I got Discord. I got Prism. I got Vivaldi. Got Ninja Trader. I got VCam, Spotify, Line 6. Which I done lost count, man. Michael, 332s. Michael, when I got my monitors, the 27s, I was looking at 32s and I was like, yeah, I probably wouldn't like it. It's probably too much. Now I'm thinking I probably could have went with 32s. Isn't that how it works, though? Same way with phones. Remember when phones kept getting bigger and everyone's like, oh, it's way too big. Now you go back, you find a phone from like 6, 7, 8 years ago that you thought was like huge, and it's like super small.
The flip phones were small.
Do you imagine going back to like an original iPhone? Probably look like that. Two curved, one flat. I like the curved better. Yeah, Michael, the curved monitors are nice.
You know, it's going to be an interesting example. I have the numbers here forward testing without the filter. And when the day ends, I'm going to run it forward testing with the filter. I'm curious to see. With.
Yeah, that'd be interesting.
Filter. Today. What's the date today?
Well,
12th.
Crazy.
I mean, we know the answer anyways, right?
Skeletor. Good.
I was going to say, I'm just curious to see the numbers, but you know the answer. Obviously, longs aren't going to do better than shorts.
Well, today's kind of a bad day to test it anyways because it's been straight down.
That's it. I just want to see the difference.
All you're really saying is if you take all the longs out of there, how much better would it have done? But since it's straight down, it's kind of a,
no-brainer.
Skeletor. At home, I have a 48-inch TV and a 27-inch monitor. At work, 227s. Yeah, I like the 227s. I could probably do the 232s. I mean, I don't see why not. I don't think I'd want any bigger than that. I don't know. It's too much. Remember, I used to have charts everywhere. I don't even have that many charts anymore. What do I got right now? All right, I'm not counting these two. Those are more indicators, not charts. So charts that I have open right now, I got Ninja Trader, one Ninja Trader. Trading View, I got 3. What do I got? I got 2600, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. That's it. Then sometimes y'all see me switch over to the 1 minute Heikenashii. That's about it. And then in the morning time, if I could find that chart here somewhere. Morning time, I use the 2 minute chart. Looks different now because the bot's not on. All that has is a moving average. Then when the bot's turned on, let's turn it on. Okay. Oh, there's the button, right? There it is. So that's what we see in the morning time. Really don't even need the moving average. I don't even know why I had the moving average on there. Don't trade this at all. This is all about 100% by the bot. Lewis looking at Ninja Trader and Trading View. Yep. I like Trading View for my analysis. I used to just always leave it on Trading View, but then people like to see the trades and stuff, so try to go back and forth. A lot of times the Ninja Trader don't want to work. I don't know. Works when it works. I actually used to have a, Mike, you might remember, I used to have a small chart on the screen down in the corner, and it always showed my trades, but then everybody would say I wasn't showing my trades. I'm like, yeah, yeah, it'll sound like this right here. I'm like, y'all do see the chart right there, right? Shows every single trade I take.
Okay, I'm done. Oh, wait. One more thing.
Yeah, I like TradingView for analysis. I was hoping they'd give a better Valentine's sale, but they do have a Valentine's sale going on right now. Heard when subscription runs out, they try to give you a good sale. Might just let mine run out and see if they give me a good sale.
What are we talking about?
Huh?
What are we talking about?
TradingView.
Ah, okay.
They're having a Valentine's sale right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it's a good sale if you buy the higher tiers, but I don't really feel like I need all that. Plus, they made me mad when I asked them one time to let me try it out, and they told me no. Fuck them.
They're running a business, Mr. Omnius.
Look, they could have gave me a month trial of a higher tier that I already pay for, right? They could have gave me a month trial, especially since they say that if you go up, then it's hard to go back down a tier, which I don't make any sense.
Well,
So they could have gave me a month trial. They could have gave me a month trial, and who knows, I might still have it and think of all the money they lost because they didn't want to give me a trial.
Yep.
And they were kind of rude about it too. Like, you know what I mean? Like, fuck you, I don't need you. I have several other platforms. I got a full licensed Quantar right there through AMP. I can get rid of TradingView and put Quantar right in the spot. Also, I have a, what would you call it? Yeah, TradingView did that. Yeah, I asked them for a little trial of the medium tier or the higher tier. I've been with them forever too. And yeah, they said no. They're kind of rude about it too. Whatever. I mean, I've probably been with TradingView 5 years, been paying them money. So, at this point, it's like I don't want to give them any more than I got to. Plus, I get a free version of TradingView anyways. I might just go back to the free version and see what that gives me. Because you got the regular free version, and then AMP Futures has their own version of TradingView. I don't even know. I might get everything I got now already for free. That's what I wanted to try out, Lewis, was the tick chart and the Renko. Because for a while there, I don't know if the chart will still line up, but where is it? QQQ. TQQQ. That's not lining up. But this here is supposed to be a Renko chart. I just gotta reset it, recalibrate it. But sometimes I'll trade it on the 2-day chart. You can't really see it now. But I was wondering how those Renkos, because you can use Renko on the daily and above, I think, on my tier. I was wanting to see how those would stack up on like a 2-minute chart, which it probably won't. But once again, they could have gave me the trial. I might have liked it. I might still use it. I mean, they lost all that money. I have a full licensed Quantower, and I have a license for TradingView through AMP Futures, so I don't even know what that offers right now. Quantower is a full license, and I can get all the different charts, everything on there. I can get the Renko charts, footprint charts, everything. But I will say I do like my analysis on TradingView. Just so much easier to do analysis on TradingView. Used to use Renko on the 1 second. Now I can't get Renko. I got the, was it the general tier? Yep. See, you gotta have, currently have essential. Okay, so you gotta have premium. Yeah, you'd think if somebody was trying to try out a higher tier, you'd want them to do it. I think they even give a trial period to like new users or something. It's like, hey, you'll give a new user a month trial, but you won't give somebody that's been paying you for 5 years a month trial. QIA, I'm going to call from Microsoft virtual briefing, secure and govern Microsoft 365 Copilot plus agent later. What?
Ring dong.
Maybe he's in a call. See us later. Lewis, you said you trade personal accounts. What broker do you trade with? If you don't mind saying. I mean, if you want to be private, don't matter. Is it AMP Futures or someone else? Ninja Trader, okay. So you had to buy Ninja Trader, didn't you? I remember it used to be like $1,200.
I think it still is. I think it's an annual license. Not 100% certain, but
No, it used to be a one-time fee, $1,200.
yeah.
I mean, you could lease it, I think. But it used to be a one-time fee, $1,200. Lifetime, yeah. So it's a one-time fee. Look, I mean, they do promos and stuff, but it used to be $1,200. I don't know if it went up or down, or I haven't checked on it in years. I do remember at one time they sent out a thing saying that you can't, so you buy a license, but you're not allowed to transfer that license. And people were trying to do that, and I guess they sent out a thing saying, no, you can't do that. So like if you bought a license and you wanted to give it to your son, they'd say, no, you can't do that.
That's just stupid.
I mean, it seemed to me like you're buying a license and it's your license, right? Like if you buy a liquor license, it's your license. You sell it to somebody else. You're buying an investment into something, but then you're saying, no, you can't transfer it. So what exactly are you buying? Ninja Trader got bought out by Kraken. Never even heard of Kraken.
Did it really? I thought it was Tradeovate.
No, Ninja Trader bought Tradeovate, I think.
Okay.
So I guess he's saying Kraken bought Ninja Trader. Now it's probably all owned by Kraken. Mike, you still trading? You want to play a game?
Soon.
Okay.
Trying to get to a payout. I'm at 155.4. I want to bring it to 156. There's good volatility. But it doesn't have to be done today, right? It could be done tomorrow.
What's that? The game?
No, reaching 156.
Oh. It's up to you, man. You the captain of your ship.
I'm up 613 on the day.
I was thinking about making a video. It's
What time is it? Oh, it's lunchtime. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I didn't even notice. No, I shouldn't.
How to be a better trader. You want to be a better trader, you got to be the captain of your own ship. The captain goes down with the ship.
Cancel all orders, positions, flatten everything. We'll come back tomorrow. Cancel all orders. Everything is flat. Close. Yes to all.
I think when I first started with AMP Futures, they had Ninja Trader, and then like right after, I think I got Ninja Trader, download it and everything. Then like right after I did it, like a few weeks later, Ninja Trader decided they didn't want to work with AMP Futures anymore. And they grandfathered in a bunch of people. But since I like just downloaded it, I didn't meet the requirements to be grandfathered in. I had to delete it. Like, really? So then I went with Sierra Charts instead. Kraken announced an agreement to acquire the retail futures trading platform Ninja Trader for $1.5 billion on March 20, 2025. So does that mean they own Tradeovate also? I mean, they would have had to buy the whole company Ninja Trader, right? Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's get the names in. First, let's share it on Discord, because every time I fix the cameras and then I share it and it's the wrong cameras. So let's see. Ah, there we go. How beautiful. How beautiful is that? Do we have a little mini qualifier? Should make that one bigger.
I remember AMP used to call me all the time. Lewis, does your broker call you? AMP used to call me all the time. I think my phone blocked their number. And I got a different phone that blocked their number. Never? They used to message me. They used to call me. Say, hey, man, how's trading been? Everything all right? How you like the platform? You want a different one? You know, we got like 20 platforms to choose from. Yeah, see that? My goodness.
Okay, we got 23 balls in the game. got some double ballers, some single ballers, a lot of double ballers. Let's get it going. It's 12:17. We're late. We're behind schedule. Ahead of schedule. I don't know. On schedule.
Yeah,
Ready to go?
We're
Yeah.
schedule-ish.
It's always somebody's morning, somebody's afternoon, and somebody's evening right now. Everybody's in.
Somebody's waiting to eat lunch. Somebody's waiting to eat dinner. Somebody's waiting to go to sleep. Somebody's waiting to wake up.
You ready to go, Omnius?
Mike, be honest, you didn't realize the world was so big till you started streaming, huh?
No, I did not.
Let's go.
Yeah, okay, we'll do a burst. The burst is fair for everybody.
Wait, you got everybody in? You didn't even ask me about what names.
Everybody's in. Trust me. You'll see. We'll check it later.
Oh,
The last one that was in was Matt, who's in the lead. Remember Matty?
I had
Matt Young?
pictures.
Who do you got? I got them all. I got them all. Trust me. Where's your Matty? What's his name?
What?
Matt. Remember Matt? You had Matt.
Sir, are you okay?
Matt. There was a Matt guy. We need this. We need his full name. You only wrote it in once. Anyways, you find him. He's in your chat. He's in the lead with 42.
There was some guy named Adam that can't find the indicators. There was a Sinister Scalper.
Sinister's right there. He's just over the pit.
Blord.
Sinister's got the lead. B-Lord. Yeah, that's from you.
Lewis.
B-Lord.
Lewis is there like 5 times.
Lewis is there plenty of times.
He wants to make sure you don't forget him. Mr. Knife. Mr. Knife's there like 5 times.
Skelly and Miss K are trying to catch up. Bangs, Mikey 2, Miss K, happy kids. Mr. Knifeart goes into the takeout, into the stop out pit. Matt Y takes the lead. You got to find Matt Y.
Hey, there's Matt. Matt Young.
There we go.
Yeah.
Told you I got everybody.
Matt was waiting for the game. We got 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Matt? Matt's in the lead. Go, Matt.
Matt takes it. Yep.
Get it.
There's only one thing I'm missing. I didn't see an Adam. We don't have an Adam. Did you really have an Adam?
I don't know. No, Adam
you
was
know
asking. Adam was asking where to get the indicator.
Yeah. Well, did he type in giveaway?
No.
There you go.
He should have typed in where do you get the indicator giveaway.
But you know what? I just realized something. I shouldn't assume I have your all your entries because you're running a vertical stream.
Nah, it ain't nobody on there. I think YouTube's blocking my vertical stream.
Yeah, but I could miss people, you know. So next time I'll remember. It's a work in progress. All these things to remember. 9, 10, 11, 12. Matt W.
YouTube likes to not send out the stream, so make sure you press that bell notification to get notified every time we go live.
I'm trying something new today. Remember what I told you I want to try for the finals?
Yeah.
We're going to try that today. We're going to run 3 qualifiers, and then we're going to take just those 3, and they're going to play for 1 extra ball for tomorrow's final because I want to see what it looks like.
Lewis says, dang, my balls keep going into the wrong hole. Can you put an arrow pointing at the right hole so Lewis's balls know where to go?
There is an arrow pointing to the hole, and you're not supposed to put your balls in the hole. Balls don't go in the hole, just saying.
All right, first qualifier was Matt. Matt, great job.
Congrats,
Guys, put GG
Matt.
in the chat.
Take a
else
sip
we
of
get?
coffee. And we'll let Omnius call this one. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, we need the countdown. I was expecting the countdown. Who we got? Bangs.
Can't have 2
Bangs,
countdowns.
Lewis. Bangs 2. Whole bunch of people.
I watched the stop out pit. Sorry, I watched the points pit to see who's going in.
The points?
The points, the take profit. I like to see who's falling in there.
All right, let's see. Glad, Miss K, Knife, Maddie, Bangs, Rubber. Who's Rubber?
Rubber. This guy's a condom salesman. But he's in second and third place.
Oh, Rubber's in second place. Bangs in first.
Bangs, can you fight him off? Bangs 2. Let's watch Bangs 2. Whenever I watch a ball, they never score points. Bangs 2 is going.
There's 2 Rubbers.
Bangs 2 was going to get points, but
Lewis is in between them. Lewis, you're in between the Rubber.
Bangs 2, you're just getting knocked around, man. It's amazing you're still holding the lead. You tried to go in a few times. You just got bumped. You're on the bottom right, top right now.
We got
Bangs.
Bangs.
Try again. No.
Bangs still holding number 1.
It's amazing because he's getting banged around.
He's getting banged everywhere.
Oh, and he just went into the stop out pit. His score just went down.
I think his rubber broke. We got Sinister. Tied for first place.
Oh, Sinister 2 just took a big lead. Bangs, you need to go in. Tie.
Oh, Bangs for the comeback. Who else we got?
2 at a 46. Bangs 2 is trying to go in. You got 10 seconds, Bangs, to float in.
Lewis at number 5.
You made it.
4, 3, 2,
You made
1.
it, Bangs.
Bangs.
You made
Man,
it
y'all
in.
got banged around, didn't y'all?
He really did, because I was watching his ball, and he was really getting slapped around. They weren't letting him go into the pit. But he pulled it off. Wow, it smells candy.
Man, that was a banger, wasn't it?
Okay. Last one. And let me just change one thing. Let's get some higher scores going. Let's change the wind a little bit. Burst. There we go. Who's starting off with a lead?
Lord.
A lot of people with 7s. Oh, it's 7 points, just so you know, when you go into the pit today. So if you're 6 points behind, you only need 1 ball.
LOL, y'all having too much fun. Ah, you gotta have some fun. Relax after all that butt clenching from the market.
I did a lot of it today. My butt muscles are going to be sore.
Gotta relax, unwind, laugh a little bit, stretch your face muscles.
Bangs has a decent lead of 13 points. That's
Mike,
2 balls.
Mike, you know what we need? We need massagers for our chair, massage our butt. Release all that butt clenching. You know what I mean? Like every trader needs that.
Or a stop loss, either way. One or the other.
Yeah, stop loss, that's pretty good too.
Rubber's got a decent lead, but Bangs is threatening. Not only is he threatening, he just took the lead. 57. Where is he? It's Bangs 44. Bangs 44, you're on the right side of the board right now. You're floating back in, you're floating in, and you got knocked in. You got some more points. Bangs 44, where are you now? You're on the right side of the board.
Rubber at 2, Sinister at...
And you're...
Mikey took 3.
Look, no, you missed the stop up.
Mikey down to 4. Where's everybody else? Miss K's all the way at 14. Skelly's all the way at 15.
Winner. Bangs. Yeah, some people aren't making it into the pit. Okay, well, we can't try that thing there because it would be unfair. Bangs has 2 balls, so we'll leave it. We'll figure something out for tomorrow. If we had another winner, then I would have
Who was the first winner?
Matt Y, Bangs and Bangs.
Oh, Bangs took 2? Dang, Bang. You're banging everybody around, man.
Bang, bang, bang.
Good thing we got a couple of those rubbers in there. Matt Young, bangs and bangs. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
And
Guys, we get everybody to type GG in the chat for all the qualifiers. Have good sport. Wish everyone well. And Mike would like to tell y'all something real quick. Mike, roll the credits.
Guys, say thanks to Taurus Arena for sponsoring this week's giveaway game. Hold on, the cameras are all screwed up again. I guess it would be easier if I just do that, right? That'll bring the cameras back in. No, it doesn't. Even though I didn't touch the camera, now it's screwed up again.
I didn't talk about the long exit.
How does that happen? Yeah, well, you want to be on camera for this. Okay, well.
I'm just messing with you. I don't care.
Look, you caught me off guard. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Guys, appreciate
Tomorrow
you guys.
is the finals. That's enough.
Oh, tomorrow's Friday already. Oh, my goodness. Crazy. Guys, appreciate everybody. See everybody tomorrow morning. Guys, you see a stream in the evening. Me and Mike generally will get on the chat for a while. Y'all want to hang out in the chat. Other than that, see everybody tomorrow morning. Lewis, peace, later, traders. Miss K, everybody else. Skeletor, everybody else. See y'all tomorrow morning. Hope everyone has a good rest of your day.
Have a good weekend, guys. See you on Monday. Just
What?
joking. Just joking. See you tomorrow, Friday. Bye-bye.
If you haven't already, smash the like button on the way out.
The trading day is done. The
I said that
sharks
at the
have
beginning.
had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade.